Before we start this video, I just want to say thank you to T, Q, and her family. And also, this is not me bragging. It's just a video. Like, don't take this deep. Y'all know who I am.
Hey, got some motorsport. Put that thing in sports. Shout it bad. Pop it like a corpse.
Harrison told me to pick a ride. Psych made you look. I still didn't pick a guy. I'm the trophy of the game. Everybody trying to win me.
We're going into the woods. Yes. Into the woods, yes. Hello.
Kiana, what are you talking about? It's about deep puddles.
I know.
Hey y'all, okay, so we at this cabin, right? And I'm finna show y'all a house tour. You know, empty house tour, you know, doing it big. But yeah, I would have somebody record this for me, but I'll just record it myself. I don't want to bother nobody. You know, everybody got doing what they do, so I'm gonna just record this myself. Okay, so we in Oklahoma right now. So you get right here. Hold up. This the outside. Okay, this the outside of the building. You go right here, and this the side of the building. Y'all, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so this the side of the building. It's like a little playground set right there. And it's another cabin over there, but I mean, who cares? So you walk in. Okay, this is the overview of the house. Here's the kitchen. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is the living room, the sitting area. So you come over here, here's the kitchen. It's a lot of food over here. They had bought some food, girl, I don't know. And we had cooked some breakfast, you know, something slight. Let me get it started. You know, granite countertops, that's only what we do. I'm just playing, them ain't granite. And then over here, from the kitchen, you got a bathroom. Here's the bathroom. A toilet, a sink, that's all you need. And from the kitchen to the bathroom, we have this other door. And this is basically, hold up. This is basically the washroom and dryer. Then from here to here is a bedroom. Here's a bedroom, a bathroom. Yeah. So then from the living room over here is like a patio. Here's a patio. Now you got the table, you got the TV. Over here you got the quartz countertop. You got the stainless steel grill. And yeah, fireplace, some benches. And then you come over here. It's raining, y'all. I'm not trying to get my phone wet, but you come over here. You have what's this? A hot tub, but we haven't been on the hot tub. We haven't been using it. Here's the woods. You know, I give y'all this cute view. You know, this the money view. And then over here, there you got like a little playground or whatever, but we haven't been on it. Well, I'm not a kid, so I wouldn't do that. And yeah, you make your way back up the stairs. And then I'll show y'all the front house. I'll show y'all the front of the building. Here's the front of the building. You know, a little cabin, a little wood here and there. You know, you got other cabins. Another cabin over there. Here's the front of the cabin. But let's make our way back into the house. Then over here you have a little window, a little view. Got pool. Got this game. Oh yeah, it's a room right there. It's a bathroom right there. I think that's a room. And what's that? This a room. Hold on. Oh shoot. This a bathroom. This upstairs, y'all. Bathroom. Hold up. This a bedroom right here. We have a bathroom. Hold on. Let me see if I can turn on the light. They got a TV, bedroom, closet, 2 lamps, and hold up. I think this a bedroom. And another bedroom. Hold up.
He is responsible for the content of this advertisement.
Hey guys, I'm about to end the video right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And also hopefully you guys didn't think this video was too all over the place. I try my best not to put people in the video and not to film everybody because you know not everybody want to be on YouTube. So I try my best to like cover the whole house, and I did cover the whole house. That was the whole house in the video, even though it was all over the place. But yeah, also make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat because I'll be like vlogging my cabin adventures because I'm on fall break right now. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter because like, yeah, so you can see what I'm up to, what I'm doing. I put the link in the description. Make sure you follow me on my other social medias too. And I'll talk to y'all later. I really hope this video isn't all over the place, but I know when I edit the video, it is. So it is what it is. Bye.
Heard you get it poppin'.